Let's embrace the new normal in technology, and let's position ourselves at the forefront of change. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Travelport Live Africa 2018.
I think it's really important that people like me come to events like this. The exposure, the people that have presented so far, Travelport and how Travelport is growing, definitely, it's a must. It's a must.
Travelport Live has really opened up my mind on how I used to think the future will come to me. And now it's starting to really give me a different idea.
Microsoft's philosophy is very simple. Our job is to make you, as my partner, successful. We are working together with Travelport to figure out ways to enhance Travelport's capabilities to serve the travel advisor better.
And this is why we've started to define Travelport not as a GDS anymore, but as a travel commerce platform, because we believe that the future is about being more like a business platform where we can help improve the experiences for you and your customers.
What we're not asking anymore is NDC going to happen? It's like when, what, why. This is going to happen. It is going to change. And you need to think about your own business models and how can you profit from this.
Whether it is in adventure or in travel tech, there will always be changes. And I was to learn this lesson while climbing mountains. There was a stage where I wanted to reach the top of Mount Everest, but the weather changed. And for me to be able to keep on and still will hope to achieve what I had to achieve was just to embrace the change and be adaptable to it and be flexible to it, and as a result of which I was able to succeed on reaching the top. Whether it is in tech travel, it's exactly the same. We need to embrace change.